Abaka bave Karamoja bakamba okukira ennumba mu kaseera kano baagala minisita w'ensonga z'ewaabwe Mary Kitutu ssaako n'amyuka Agnes Nandoto bano babe basende bebaddize b'ebbali batandika okunoonyereza ku mabaati agaabulankanyisiddwa agabadde galina okukulaakulanya ekitundu kino. Bano badde bakulembeddwamu atwala Kabondo Remigio Acha ono atuuse otegeeza nga mu kaseera kano amabaati gaabwe bwe gaatwalibwa e Bugisu ng'ate abantu babeerya nkuta ku mimwa. Abadde ayogera mu lukungaana lw'amawulire tulizibu olunaku olwaleero ono ategeeza nga amabaati agoyaddala emitwalo 10 bwe gaali ku buwumbi 39 Paalamenti yaleesiza ogenda maaso n'okuyamba abantu b'ekitundu kino abaali bakubiddwa ebibamba.
Of the 5 billion that was meant for government to procure 100,000 iron sheets, as we speak today with this breaking story of iron sheets being stolen, none of the beneficiaries of iron sheets in Karamoja region has received even a single iron sheet. Most of my colleagues and members of parliament have lists of beneficiaries that were supposed to receive this. I have mine for Nablatuk district. None of the people in this list has received those iron sheets.
We as leaders from Karamoja cannot tolerate these mischievous acts. We want to make sure we shall rally behind the people of Karamoja to make sure whoever was involved in these acts shall be brought to book, and we shall move all the way to make sure this is done.
Lagged us behind because the resources that go to Karamoja Ministry for Karamoja, most of them don't reach Karamoja. They go to these individuals who are being appointed to take charge of Karamoja resources.
Mu lukungaana lw'emmomba ow'enna paaka omukyala Faith Nakut ono agamba nti ne buli eno minisitule ya Karamoja terina kye bayambye kyandibadde kirungi n'eggyibwawo.
Maybe we disband that ministry because it has lost its purpose, the relevance of it. You Ugandans have been complaining that a lot of money is being pumped in Karamoja and Karamoja is remaining the same, or even getting worse, having our streets in the city filled up with people who are begging. And now you have seen the evidence where the money is going. It is actually not going to the region.
It is not only iron sheets. We have even had goats procured for our poor people of Karamoja. But those were also mismanaged. First of all, we don't have veterinary experts in the ministry of Karamoja.
Leaders at the national level, we want to implore our colleagues from the lower level that we must join hands and make sure what is meant for Karamoja should be delivered for Karamoja.
Mu bbaluwa ewandiikiddwa omwandiisi w'enkalakkalya mu ofisi ya Ssaabaminisita Keith Mwakanizi ono bino abakakasizza bula n'akakasa nga bagenda okutandika okunoonyereza. Bagezezzaako okutuukira baminisita bano naye n'amasimu tebagakwata.
Yes, Honorable. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, yes.
How are you today? May I speak to My name is Wamala.
Yes.
May I speak to Honorable Nandutu?
Honorable is inside the radio. Is in Moroto.
Okay, because we had wanted to get some response from her.
She's inside the radio. And there's no